Okay, hi family and friends. So today I'm going to show you how to add a second deep to the box, and we put the bees in, Steve and I, on Easter Sunday, and we had 3 pounds of bees, and my bees are doing really well, it seems. I hope so, because they've got the creek and they've got the nursery. But right now I'm taking off the telescoping lid, and it is stuck because propolis will do that. So I'm gonna have to wedge it off. Always have a bag of tools. Yeah, ready or not. Okay. So this is typical. Get stuck. There we go. They glue it down, and they're gonna be everywhere. Yep, they're super busy. Check that out. They're all over the place. I just scraped this off the comb last week, and they're putting it all over the top again. Trying out a new system here this year. It looks like they need a lot more water. Today I'm going to actually take this all the way out. They're not going to be happy about it. So my video man Steve might need to step back. But thank goodness for goatskin gloves. Because here we go. I'm going to take it out all the way today because, for one, I want to dump all the water because I haven't done that. And two, I'm going to replace it with some other screens because I'm going to add a second layer. So I've already sprayed these with sugar water, and I want my water to be on the second level. So you're going to get some new Beehive frames in here. I'm going to scoot them in nice and tight because I've learned that if I don't, well, then they will build in between and make a big mess. So I'm going to have to push and shove a little bit to get these in there. They're going to get mad at me pretty fast because I'm going to have to push everything down. And I can just feel how glued together they are. And the sad thing is, I'm probably going to crush a bee or two in the meantime, but there's nothing I can really do about that. This is a layer that's going to keep them fed through the winter. And so I will never harvest any of the honey from this area. So when I push this down like I am, actually, probably what I should have done is put one in between. So I'm going to change my mind here. Yeah, I'm going to make them real mad now. They don't like their home being messed with, as you can imagine. This will be good for them, though. Thank goodness for a bee suit. Still can't get it in there. They're ready to attack me.
Shar, upper left-hand corner. Shar, upper left-hand corner. Start up there again. Upper left.
Ooh, left, right, left.
Your other left.
Other left. Yeah, we're getting there. Good spot, Steve. Thank you. Okay. In. And that is. Okay. Put on their new frame, new home on top of that. And then their telescoping lid will go on top, but I really want to clean out and give them some fresh water here. Feels like there's nothing really left in there anyway. So put all these together. I should probably go get another frame. Yep, looks like I can fit one more in, which every frame I've taken and sprayed. And when your spray bottle falls apart, just throw a little sugar water on, which is fine. Okay. And we have that. One more frame. Ugh, that's a tight squeeze, but it works. Okay, and we are almost done. Just gonna feed them. This has Pro Health in it. It's just 1-to-1 sugar water. Pro Health, and these bees are loving this. Smells like nice perennials and annuals and spearmint and lavender. There's pollen all over inside there. A little bit more. Telescoping lid back on. I'm not going to take off their burr comb today. I think they've had enough. And put their lid back on. I put an orange stripe on this one so they could find their home compared to the one next to them. And that's it. Now I'll start over again with the other one.